Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a photo gallery on Wix at 2026. So actually guys, first you will need just to open the Wix editor. So to do that you will need to go to my site right here and choose that specific site that you want to edit. So for example we'll go with that site. Alright, so actually this first one, right? So yeah, you will need also to make sure that you already logged into Wix with your account before. And yeah, so right now I do really want you to go and click on design site option that's located on the top right of the page. So just go ahead and click it, and then you will be forwarded into the Wix website editor. So inside that, you will need to go and click on add elements on the left panel or the plus icon at the same. Okay, so you will need to go and select the gallery option, right? And you will see options like pro gallery, grid galleries, slider galleries, more galleries. Okay, so the meaning of the grid galleries, that's the classic grid layout. Slider is the images slide horizontally. Even the pro is a professional for the professional size. Okay, so click your preferred style and then just drag it to the page. Okay, so that's the first thing. Right, so we are just setting an example. It's looking ugly right here. Okay, so you can also go to a specific page and just click it, and after that just do the same, and it will be replaced automatically from your add element section to your page. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.